10 proven ways to learn faster. 1. Take notes with pen and paper. Though it might seem that typing your notes on a laptop during a conference or lecture will be more thorough, thus helping you learn faster, it doesn't work that way. Skip the laptop and take notes the old-fashioned manner with pen and paper to speed up your learning. Research has shown that those who type in their lecture notes process and retain the information at a lower level. Those who take notes by hand actually learn more. 2. Have effective note-taking skills. The better your notes are, the faster you'll learn. Knowing how to take thorough and accurate notes will help you remember concepts, gain a deeper understanding of the topic and develop meaningful learning skills. So, before you learn a new topic, make sure you learn different strategies for note-taking, such as the Cornell method, which helps you organize class notes into easily digestible summaries. 3. Distributed practice. This method involves distributing multiple practices, or study sessions, on a topic over a period of time. Using short, spaced-out study sessions will encourage meaningful learning, as opposed to long cram sessions, which promote rote learning. Afterward, take a few minutes to look over your notes, making any additions or changes to add detail and ensure accuracy. Do this quickly, once or twice following each class or period of instruction. 4. Study, sleep, more study. You have a big project or major presentation tomorrow and you're not prepared. If you're like many of us, you stay up too late trying to cram beforehand. However, that's not the most efficient way for our brains to process information. Research shows a strong connection between sleep and learning. It seems that getting some shut-eye is an important element in bolstering how our brains remember something. Deep sleep, non-rapid eye movement sleep, can strengthen memories if the sleep occurs within 12 hours of learning the new information. 5. Modify your practice. If you're learning a skill, don't do the same thing over and over. Making slight changes during repeated practice sessions will help you master a skill faster than doing it the same way every time. In one study of people who learned a computer-based motor skill, those who learned a skill and then had a modified practice session where they practiced the skill in a slightly different way performed better than those who repeated the original task over and over. This only works if the modifications are small. Making big changes in how the skill is performed won't help. 6. Try a mnemonic device. One of the best ways to memorize a large amount of information quickly is to use a mnemonic device, a pattern of letters, sounds or other associations that assist in learning something. Mnemonics help you simplify, summarize and compress information to make it easier to learn. It can be really handy for students in medical school or law school, or people studying a new language. 7. Use brain breaks to restore focus. In order to learn something new, our brains must send signals to our sensory receptors to save the new information, but stress and overload will prevent your brain from effectively processing and storing information. When we are confused, anxious or feeling overwhelmed, our brains effectively shut down. They simply aren't able to effectively conduct that information into their memory banks, so learning shuts down. 8. Stay hydrated. We know we should drink water because it's good for us, it's good for our skin and our immune system, and it keeps our body functioning optimally. But staying hydrated is also key to our cognitive abilities. Drinking water can actually make us smarter. 9. Learn information in multiple ways. When you use multiple ways to learn something, you'll use more regions of the brain to store information about that subject. This makes that information more interconnected and embedded in your brain. You can do this by using different media to stimulate different parts of the brain, such as reading notes, reading the textbook, watching a video and listening to a podcast or audio file on the topic. 10. Connect what you learn with something you know. The more you can relate new concepts to ideas that you already understand, the faster that you'll learn the new information. According to the book Make It Stick, many common study habits are counterproductive. Memory plays a central role in our ability to carry out complex cognitive tasks, such as applying knowledge to problems we haven't encountered before and drawing inferences from facts already known. By finding ways to fit new information in with pre-existing knowledge, you'll find additional layers of meaning in the new material. This will help you fundamentally understand it better, and you'll be able to recall it more accurately.